Hello to all my zodiacs. How are you all? And it's time for weekly predictions from the 4th of June till the 10th of June 2021. But before that, I know this Mercury retrograde and Saturn retrograde is so annoying. I know we all are literally on thin ice and we're very edgy. Everybody feels like fighting or screaming, shouting. We don't know the real reason. We don't know why we want to do that, but we definitely are craving to kind of snap at someone or just scratch somebody off. I get it. But as I have said before in a few of my videos, this is the time of transformation. These 3 weeks from the 1st of June till the 21st of June till Mercury becomes direct again are extremely important for our transformation, and we cannot forget that, and we cannot lose this opportunity of transformation because we don't know the next cycle when the transformation will happen. So let's quickly begin the weekly prediction. Part 1 is from Aries to Virgo. Let's see what's going on with you, Aries. Aries, you are listening to your inner voice. You have made up your mind that you're going to listen to your own gut. You're not going to listen to other people. You will go with what you feel. You'll be like, Mercury retrograde is there, Saturn retrograde is there. Everybody's just trying to put too many thoughts and ideas in my mind, and this is like literally confusing me, and I don't want that. I want to first keep my morals high. I want whatever decisions I take, I want to keep my morals intact. I want to make sure I take everybody together with me. I don't there's a little bit of a situation of divide and rule around you. People are trying to divide you with other people, but you'll be like, no, let them do it, but I'm not going to be a part of it. I don't believe in that, and I'm going to stick to morality, inner voice, and unity. Beautiful lucky numbers are 2, 5, and 7. Lucky days are Sunday, Monday, as well as Thursday, and lucky colors are orange, red, yellow. All those hot warm colors are extremely lucky for you this week. Taurians. Okay, let's see what's going on with you, Taurians. Taurians, you are definitely feeling you're a victim of politics in this whole retrograde and planetary position, and you're like, you know what, I think I have more enemies than I thought. It could be psychologically also there. You could be little paranoid as well. Of course, there are certain people who don't like you, and they're being very vocal about it, or they're just expressing it. And some is your phobia or paranoia. So all that is also happening. So kind of try to control it. Try not like just don't be in the flow of it. Just don't allow people to do that to you. You can't let them win in this. They are playing with your mind, they are playing with your emotions, and if you are also going to react the way they want, then clearly they know you better than you know yourself. So be very careful of that. Your lucky numbers in this week are 3, 6, and 7. Your lucky colors are going to be green, brown, beige, and your lucky days are definitely going to be, one will be Saturday is lucky, looking very nice, Tuesday is looking nice, and as well as Thursday is looking brilliant in spite of the cards. Geminis. Geminis, you're a very courageous zodiac. I must say that because, of course, the whole drama is happening in your zodiac. We are in your month. Besides the courage that you have in you, you're flowing also. You have to, and if you're not, you need to just flow with this. What is happening? Don't be a little, you're just having a lot of miser thoughts this week. You're like, let me do some cost cutting here, let me do some cost cutting there, let me just not take this vacation or probably not buy this. I understand you need to restructure a few things. As a card of miser has come, you're like holding on to money. You're like, I don't know when the next money will come, so I got to hold on to what I have. I need to kind of work with my resources at this point. I get that vulnerability. I know the timing is so uncertain and so vulnerable, but I promise you, you just need to keep going with the flow. Don't stop your flow. Yes, you need to know where your expenses need to be, where you need to spend, where you don't need to spend. All that definitely I see, but still don't stop your flow. Allow it to happen, allow it, and you'll be very surprised that you're going to kind of you'll be like, my courage has paid me off. I kind of didn't expect this kind of financial security which has come in my hands. Your lucky numbers are 4 and 8 this week. Your lucky colors are all the ocean colors: sea blue, sea green, white, sand, anything, any color that you see in ocean, beige sand, and all that. They're all very good for you. In fact, if you do have ocean in your city and where you live, just try. Don't break the rules. Don't kind of just drive or just walk. Don't break the rules of lockdown, but try if you can just have a peek at the ocean once in a while and just get the energy from the mother ocean. And that's really going to help you. Your lucky colors are bottle green, as I said, green, all the green blues, I'm seeing a lot of them. And your lucky days are going to be Monday, Tuesday, as well as Friday, like today is also a very good day for you. Cancerians. Oh, nice. Nice. Cancerians, back-to-back compromise card is there. We saw that a compromise card did come for you guys when we saw the effects of Mercury retrograde for Cancerians, that you had to compromise. See, I've got a great memory. That's one of the best things Cancerians have. It can be a blessing or a curse because sometimes we don't forget what we need to forget and we remember everything. But in my case, I would like to take everything as a blessing. So should you. So the compromise card is here. You are so much at the right path. Your angels are guiding your path. Beautiful card of the angels. You are dancing in your path. You're like, you know what, I am going to take it very easy. There is a turmoil inside of you, emotional turmoil, uncertainty, but you're like, no, I'm going to play it zen. I'm not going to lose my cool. I will not let anybody see how insecure I'm feeling. I won't even let myself see how insecure I am. Great thinking, Cancerians. I'm with you on it. We are in this together. The compromise card is here. So clearly in this week, there is going to be a kind of a business proposal or something will happen where you'll need to take this compromise or make a compromise. Do it because this compromise in the longer run will give you more rewards and better, opportunities, which is great. Your lucky colors are going to be yellow, orange, red, and pink. Your lucky numbers are 3, 6, 9. Your lucky days are going to be Sunday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Leos. Aww. Leos, my Leos, let go of this. In this particular week, Leos, if you just go baby steps with me, okay, week by week, follow the guidance, and I swear you're going to come out victorious. You'll be so glad that you did this, and I forced you to follow my guidance. You may not like it, being the king of the jungle, but I guess surrendering is the key sometimes. So let go of this machine, because this machine is giving you ideas and thoughts from the place of ego, arrogance, and overconfidence, which is not nice. Surrender that. It's a card of consciousness has come. You have to take some decisions from your consciousness, from your soul calling. You can't be every time thinking like, I know it all, because it's not true. Nobody knows it all. And you will get an opportunity this week. There could be some tiny door opening for you with some new idea or a new venture, and you will be like, shouldn't I, what should I do? But I'll tell you to take it. I'll really tell you to take it. Don't question it. Just be in the flow. Don't allow this one to kind of manipulate you in some different thoughts. It's not going to work. Your lucky colors are steel gray, dark gray, and black. Nice. And your lucky numbers are going to be 2, 5, and 8. And your lucky days are going to be Saturday, Monday, and Thursday. Thursday is quite a day for everybody. Virgos. Nice. Virgos, besides clinging to the past this week, everything is fine. You are in touch with somebody from your past, which is fine. Maybe you're looking for a new kind of conversation or a closure. In either ways, it's fine. It's guided from the source. You're going to get in touch with your past for some definite completion. I will not doubt that you have to have this completion. You want to do this, and you're like, I need my closure, I need to move on, or probably this past needs to have its own new life now, and we need to fix this. In either ways, it's looking good. It is not looking that something you will be paranoid about, or it may, the result may go against you. Nothing like that's happening. And I like it. It's a spiritual week for you. If whatever you're trying to do, if you're like trying to get in touch with your past or fix that past, if you can meditate a bit in the morning or pray, whatever is your belief system, whatever religion you follow, and whatever prayers you do, but just begin your day with some kind of a prayer or connectivity with the divine, and with your divinity, and so that that you're totally guided by the universal force, and you're not, and where you need to be stopped, you are stopped. Like, the universe also talks very loudly to you sometimes. So allow that flow. Other than that, I'm not worried for you. It all looks very, very nice. Your lucky colors are going to be pink, orange, and brown and beige, also looking very nice for you. Your lucky colors are going to be 2, 5, and 9. Your lucky days are going to be Sunday. I'm liking Wednesday. I'm absolutely liking Friday. Both the Fridays, today and the next Friday, both looking very, very nice for you.